Hey besties, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, we are going to be going through the January 2022, that sounds so crazy to say, but the January 2022 Boxycharm base box. If you guys are not already familiar with Boxycharm, let me explain it to you briefly. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box where you pay $28 per month and you get 5 full-size products that can go up to $175 in value altogether. So at the end of this video, I'll be sure to let you guys know what the value of this box is, and I have not touched it yet. Let's jump right in. Aw, and I think this month's theme is so cute. It's the Boxycharm Refresh, which I think that's a beautiful theme for this month considering it is January. It's a fresh start for a lot of people, so I actually really love that. On the back, of course, we have price and descriptions of each product. Dang, I wish you could see that a little bit better. There we go. The first product we have is from Pharmacy. It is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. I love it when we get serums, and I love the brand Pharmacy. This is $44. This is what the outside packaging looks like. If you guys care about outer packaging, I always throw out things like this, but it's nice to just show for you guys. It's cute because it has like little honeycombs on the top as well. Little things like that are really, really nice to look at. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. And as we can see here, it does have a pump, which is nice. Let me actually squirt it out on my hand really quickly. Oh, that's an interesting smell. It doesn't smell like the other hyaluronic acids that I have, you guys, but it does smell really nice and it does feel really soft and smooth on my hands. I wish I could like give it to you so you could feel it with me because it is very interesting, especially the smell. But let me read a little bit of the claims on this product. It says it is a smooth, plumping, microfilling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. That sounds so up my alley, you guys. I have really bad like smile lines, so if that could help fill that in a little bit without surgery, that would be great. So I actually really enjoy that, and it says it has hyaluronic acid, of course, to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids. So that sounds really, really good, and that's already $44, which is more than the whole box, so I love to see this. The next product we have is the Real Her Dream So Big Eyeshadow Palette, which is $28, and this actually sounds really good to me because it says they have avocado oil, coconut oil, and other vegan powerhouse ingredients up in there, which is amazing. And this is what the palette looks like. Well, the outside, of course. Which I think I really love the black packaging. I don't really have a lot from the Real Her, like at all, do you guys? And then you have like this really beautiful rose gold packaging as well on the sides. And this is what the palette looks like. Sleeve just fell off. But this is a very neutral-esque palette. I feel like it is beautiful for everyday wear. I would wear this for work, to be honest. And just for every day, honestly, like you see today, I don't even have anything on the eyelids. I think I was supposed to put bronzer, but I totally forgot today. So this is actually something I would use for everyday use. I actually enjoy palettes like this. If the quality is good, let me actually go ahead and swatch a few shades for you. I think it said it had avocado oil and coconut oil, so yeah, they do feel pretty smooth. And this is what the swatches look like. Of course, I would have to actually try them on my eyes to give you a thorough review of the product. But I do feel like on my hand they do feel really good. And it says that because it has the avocado and coconut oil, it's really going to help with anti-aging, which we love in the makeup and skincare community, of course. So yeah, that's not a bad product. You guys, the next thing actually really excites me because we do have something from Earth Harbor Naturals, which I love that brand. I found it through Boxycharm, but I bought things with my own money because I just really do enjoy that brand. I find that a lot of times with Boxycharm, I'll find a lot of skincare brands that I really enjoy and products and continue to repurchase on my own, especially when it comes to skincare, you guys, especially. So this is the Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. It says that it has vitamin C, A, E and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives, which is amazing. Let's go ahead and look at the product. And I always just really love their packaging, their attention to detail. It's very beautiful to me. Very cutesy. And open the seal, of course. Ooh. Smells very fruity. And that is what it looks like inside. Yeah, very balmy for sure. Oh, I love this though. Ooh, I love this. It smells really, really good. I'm really excited to use this, you guys. Again, I love their skincare that they send with Boxycharm. I love it when there's more skincare than makeup. I just love skincare so much. So I love it when they send it because then I get it for cheaper and then I can decide if I want to repurchase later. So I love getting their skincare more than anything. Again, not that the makeup products are bad. I just prefer the skincare. Okay, and then we have something from Dragon Beauty. Nikita Dragon, okay. So this is the lip job liner and sharpener. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is $18, you guys. And it says it's gonna contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy. Ooh. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. I love purple, so this is really cute to me. Or is this like a blue? No, this is purple. Am I colorblind? I don't know. I dropped the sharpener. It's a blue sharpener, you guys. I just totally dropped it. I am so sorry. And then let me let this come out. Oh, and this is actually a really, really big, really long liner. Yeah, and it's a sharpener, so wow. Okay. Let's actually, I was going to apply it to my lips, but I have something on my lips, so let's put it on the hand. Oh, I like that shade too. And I'm actually really excited because, believe it or not, I've never tried anything. Come on, focus. There you go. I've never tried anything from Nikita Dragon, so I'm really excited to try for the first time and have it be a lip liner. I feel like I haven't heard a lot from her brand. Have you? I don't know. I haven't heard a lot of things. I think I heard good things about the color correctors, but that's it. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys like her products, if you guys would recommend them. I'd love to know, but I'm really excited to play with my own little goodie and see what I feel. I really do love that it is a deep brown shade. I love brown so much. I love to do a dark lip line and then like a nude. It's just my favorite, so I'm excited about that. And then the last product we have is the Contact Skin Matte Lipstick. I've never heard of that brand before, have you? It's $20. It says it has antioxidants and botanical oils, which will nourish the lips. We love to see it. This is what it looks like. Really great. I love the black packaging here. And then, okay. So I was expecting it would be like a nude for some reason, but we have like a reddy burgundy tone. Let me see. Yeah, like a burgundy tone, which I actually love. I eat these kind of shades up as well. Let's put a little bit over top of what I have going on. That's cute, right? I like that. Okay. All right. Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and add everything up and see what the value of the box is, and I'll be right back. So the total is $148, you guys, which I think is a steal because you're only spending, not only spending, but you're spending $28. So you're really getting $120 worth of product if you choose to think about it that way. And I just want to go ahead and wrap up by showing you my favorites. I am really, really excited to try this Pharmacy product. Pharmacy is just a really great brand, and I love how this smells. It's very different, and I'm excited. It's very smoothing. Super excited to try the Nikita Dragon Dragon Beauty liner. Very, very, very excited for this one. The lip color is really beautiful. I'm actually very, very happy with it. It just added a little bit of depth to the color of this lip, so I'm excited about that. And then the mask, I love Earth Harbor's. Really, I think I'm mentioning literally every single thing except for the neutral eyeshadow, only because I already have all of those shades because I just have such a big eyeshadow collection. But if you're not someone that has a big eyeshadow collection, that might excite you a little bit more than me. Everything else though, I am like, ooh, I'm excited, happy, just overjoyed to play with everything in front of me. So this was, in my opinion, a really great month, and I do think this box was worth it. I'm really excited to see what Boxycharm has for the the year of 2022. You guys, I'm so excited we're in 2022. And let me know down below in the comments, is it time to get into the spring background? I feel like this is still very wintry, so let me know down below if it's time to change this as well. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more makeup reviews, makeup unboxings, skincare videos, definitely think about subscribing, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!